front of me is Motorola Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select the Browse section at the bottom in the middle and tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!